Okay, so we were asked here to show which one would not prove that these are going to be parallel to one another. So I'm seeing that they're all supplementary angles. And the thing to remember when we're trying to prove things parallel is that we can only prove things to be parallel with two of our vocabulary words: consecutive interior angles and consecutive exterior angles, which really means to us that the information needs to be on both lines. So if I put my A's and B's in there, all of the pieces below should be an A and a B. And then they should also tell us information about both of our lines, not just one of them. So if we look at this first one, it's saying 2 and 8. So 2 is here, 8 is here. They're an A and a B. It's telling us information about M and N, and this is actually consecutive exterior. So this one is true. We don't want to use that one. The next one we have is 3 and 5. So here's 3, here's 5. These are consecutive interior angles, and they add to be 180. And again, this tells us information about M. This angle here tells us about N. And that's because those are the angles, right? They're touching that line. All right, we've got 1 and 3. So 1 and 3. Okay, well, they definitely add to be 180. The statement itself is true. But notice that both of these angles are touching line N. We have no information about line N. So therefore, this is the correct answer. This is the one that does not prove that lines are parallel because it's a linear pair. And linear pairs do not prove that lines are parallel. If we check that last one, the last one is 1 and 7. So here's 1 again, here's 7. Okay, this tells us information about M, and this tells us information about N. So that one does prove. Again, angle 1 plus angle 3 equals 180 is a linear pair, so that does not prove that these two lines are parallel.